Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add Microsoft Teams to the desktop. Or rather, in today's video, I'll show you how to create a desktop shortcut for Microsoft Teams. So, at first, what you have to do is just go to your desktop. From here, just click on the Start button. From here, then just go to Run. Then inside Run, you just need to type this. Shell, then a ratio or is2 sign, then apps folder. Again, it's shell is2 apps folder. Then just click on OK. And after that, you'll be introduced to this application folder. Just scroll down and find Microsoft Teams over here. Or you can just simply go to the search and search for Microsoft Teams and hit enter. Once you find Microsoft Teams here, what you have to do is just right click on it and click on create shortcut. And it's gonna give you a warning. Windows can create shortcut here. Do you want to create the shortcut and place it on the desktop instead? Yes, that's exactly what we want. So we will just click on yes. And then just go to your desktop and you'll find your Microsoft Teams on your desktop as well. If you want, you can just go ahead and rename it if you don't like the shortcut text. And it's gonna be Microsoft Teams then. And basically, that is how to create a desktop shortcut for Microsoft Teams. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.